Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to compute the z and the t. I thought it would be better to show you how to do them side by side than two separate videos just for z and just for t. So to find the z, first we're going to find our confidence interval, which is going to be 0.80. And the first thing we're going to do is find your a. So your a is going to be 1 minus your confidence interval. That's going to be 0.20. The second thing we're going to do after is compute the alpha over 2, which is going to be 0.20 divided by 2. And then I have 0.10. And then the third thing we're going to do, we're going to find the area. The area is going to be what we just did minus 1. Well, 1 minus what we did. And that's going to be 1 minus 0.10. That should be 0.9. And now the fourth thing we're going to do, we're going to look for this in the chart. And it's always nice to do 4 decimal places. So you can just put zeros right here. And I'm going to look for 0.90. Okay, the closest I have is this one. Point 2.8. Point 2.8. And that what would you put? This is equal to that. Like, let's say you insert this right here. You would put 1.28. Okay. And now I'm going to find the t. The t is super similar to how to find the z. The first thing we're gonna find a, which is gonna be 1 minus 0.80. You go 0.20. 2, we're gonna divide that. We're gonna find alpha 2 over 2. 0.20 divided by 2 is 0.10. And then what's difference? We're gonna find the degrees of freedom, which is equal to n minus 1. And we see right here our sample size is 37. So 37 minus 1 is 36. And then the fourth thing we're going to do, we're going to find it in the chart. So what we're going to look for is degree of freedom is 36. And then we're going to look for 0.10. So in my chart, I have 36. I have 0.10. So let's go 1.306. So instead of plus or minus t, it would be right here. I would type in yes. Yep. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna go with the second problem. To find for z, I'm gonna do 1 minus our confidence interval. That's gonna be 0.10. Okay. Our second one, I'm gonna find, well, let me do that. 1 minus 0.90 is equal 0.10. 2 is gonna be alpha divided by 2, which is gonna be 0.10 divided by 2. It's gonna be 0.05. And then 3, we're gonna find the area, which is gonna be, what did I put up here? Our area, 0.05. That's gonna be 0.95. And then number 4, I'm gonna look for it in the chart. So I'm gonna add the 2 zeros here. So it's 4 digit, well, 4 decimal. And then 95. So it's gonna be between these numbers. For 1.64, 1.65. So it's between 1.64 and 1.65. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add these two together and get the average, because it's equally between it. And then I should get 1.645. Let me double check. Yeah, 1.645. So in the right here, I'm gonna type in 4, 5. And normally these are given to you already. You just need to know which one is which. Okay. And then I'm gonna find the t. We'll compute the t. The first 2 steps are gonna be the same. We're gonna find a is 1 minus 0.90, 0.10, 2, alpha divided by 2. And then now we're gonna find the degrees of freedom. And it's a simple size of 64 and minus 1. 64 minus 1 is 63. So we're gonna find 63, and we're gonna look for 05. 63, 05. Oh wait, is this one? 1.669. 1.669. So for plus or minus T alpha 2 sigma and right here, I'm gonna put 1.669. Yeah. Okay, this is gonna be part 1. I'm gonna do another video with 2 more problems. If you watch it to the end, thank you. I hope this helps you a little bit more for computing your z and t.